Employee Assessment by Heather Burbeck-Rodriguez. Employee Performance Appraisals 101. A properly implemented employee performance process that meets both the values of the organization as well as the needs of the employees should encourage employees to grow and excel. It can be a very effective tool for promoting employee growth and development within your organization. Some of the pros of having an employee review system include things like they encourage positive employee behavior. Most of the time they are tied to increases in pay or promotions. And so in order to reach that next level, when it is done correctly, employees are encouraged to reach higher goals. It also lets employees know how they are doing at their jobs and how their managers and those around them think that they're doing at their jobs. It is a great tool for training and development, and it can provide a base for salaries and increases, promoting and legal action. Getting started. It is important that each employee have a clear understanding of their job description and that it correctly establishes the responsibilities and guidelines of the position. Job descriptions will be reviewed annually thereafter, and employee input to account for any changes. Performance. Employee performance appraisals will be tied specifically to performance in each of the 10 different positions and include customer service and sales specifically. In an effort to keep the lines of communication open between managers and employees, we will encourage management to check in individually with each employee on a regular basis. Employee performance appraisals will be conducted annually from date of hire and be performed by their direct managers with shared input from those working directly with the employee.